Children listen, this is exercise 7.9. We have to start. What they are telling, evaluate the integral in exercise 1 to 8 using substitution method. Question number 1. See, they told to use substitution method, or else we know how to what is the integral this very easily. Am I right, children? Very easily you can complete the integral for this. Very easily you can take integral for this. Okay, 0 to 1 x divided by x square plus 1 into dx na. Very easily you can go without a substitution method. Very easily. See, when you differentiate denominator, what is that? 2x plus 0. So this is a numerator na, very easily you can complete. But there is only x. Only x is there. So 2 is missing. Multiply 2, divide 2. Then log of denominator. Like that very easily we will complete. Very easily we will complete. But in question what they mentioned, with the help of substitution method they asked to go. With the help of substitution method they asked to go. So that I am going to take the denominator as a t. Denominator as a t. I am going with the substitution method. Proper substitution method I am going. Or else if you want to take log of denominator also you can go, not an issue. If you multiply 2 divided 2. Okay, you will be getting. Now when you differentiate, dt is equal to x square derivative 2x. 1 derivative 0, x derivative finally dx you will be getting. 2 when you send opposite, dt divided by 2 which is equal to x into dx. X into what pa? Dx. Okay. Now you can replace this. I is equal to integral x dx. X dx we can write dt by 2. dt divided by 2. X dx we can write dt divided by 2. And denominator x square plus 1 we can write t, just t. Okay. So that 1 divided by t over. But what about limits? Limits we didn't convert, am right? So limit you should convert in the form of a t also. Limit also you have to convert. Okay. So x value 0 and 1 they give. Then what about t? Here you have to substitute. Okay. Put x is equal to 0 now. T equal to what I am getting here we have. Okay. So what is the t value? 0 square plus 1 equal to 1. Then t value 1. Then lower limit what I am getting? 1. When I give 0, I am getting 1. Suppose put x is equal to 1 I substitute. This 1 I substitute, what I am getting? Okay, t is equal to 1 square plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 2. So upper 2 I am getting. Like this you can. Right, 2 when you take outside, what I am getting? 1 by 2 into integral 1 to 2, 1 by t into dt. What is 1 by t integral pa? Log t. Directly you can apply the formula log mod t limits 1 to 2. Limits 1 to 2. Now you can apply the limits. Okay. What I am getting when I apply the limits? Upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 2 let it be. First when you apply upper limit, log 2 minus log 1. That you can write. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. What about log 1 pa? Raja, what about log 1 ma? Log 1 value what pa? 0. So what I am getting? 1 by 2 into log 2 is my required answer. Or else 1 by 2 when you take there na, log root 2 will come. But 1 by 2 log 2 is best answer, you can stop. Okay, that's it. Shall we go next ma? Guys, shall we go next pa? Right, question number 2. 2 we are moving. Question number 2. So what we have? Integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin pi, instead of theta they gave pi, into cos power 5 pi d pi. Okay, this is I am taking I is equal to. I equal to I am taking. Inside the root what we have, that you take as a what my dear? T. Okay, when you take t, yeah, t equal to what? T equal to what we can take? Tell me. Inside the root what I said? Sin if you take na, when you differentiate what I am getting? Sin cos. Okay, and pi when you differentiate d pi. So that children, so that this is multiply. So that cos pi d pi you can write dt, but we have not cos pi, cos power 5 then pi we have. So cos power 5 you can simplify. You have to simplify into what is that? This cos. So square root of sin pi, let it be, multiply. This cos power 5 we can write cos power 4 pi into cos pi into d pi. Okay, 4 plus 1 5 ma. So that we are writing like this. Cos power 4, how you can write? Cos power 4, how we can write? Cos power 4, what is that? Theta equal to cos square theta the whole square. Cos square you can write 1 minus sin square theta the whole square. Like this you can write. So that same manner let it be 0 to pi by 2 root sin pi, okay, cos pi whole power 4 na, that you can write 1 minus sin square pi whole power 2 into cos pi into d pi. Now you can convert into t easily. See children, cos pi d pi we have in the form of dt. This sin square, sin you can write t, not an issue, easily it will complete. Now inside the root we have a t into 1 minus sin pi, we assumed t children, so that t square cos pi d pi na just dt, just what my dear, dt. Now limit also you have to convert, okay, limit also you have to convert. For limit, for converting into limit I make little table. So what is that? First they gave pi we are going to convert into t. So that lower limit 0 they gave, upper limit pi by 2. Raja, sin pi, which means sin 0 what pa? Sin 0 what pa? 0. So lower limit 0 again. Right. Sin pi by 2 what ma? Sin pi by 2 1. So upper limit will become 1. Okay, 0 to 1. 0 to pi by 2 became a 0 to 1. Okay. Now take the root pi, multiply inside. Take the root pi, multiply inside. So that 0 to 1. 1 into root t minus t square into root t square. Let it be root t in the sense t power 1 by 2. You can write into dt. Okay. And finally, what we have, I is equal to integral 0 to 1. Separately you can apply t power 1 by 2 minus Raja 2 plus half what ma? 2 plus half 2 and half. 2 and half how you can write in rational form? 5 divided by 2. How we can write in the rational form ma? 5 divided by 2 into dt. That's it pa. Now you take limits ma. Sorry, integral pa you will be getting. So t power 1 by 2 if you take integral, what you will be getting? T power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, minus t power 5 by 2 if you take integral na, what I am getting? T power 7 by 2 divided by 7 divided by 2, limit 0 to 1. Limit what my dear? 0 to 1. Okay, apply the limit pa. First 1 when I apply, 1 divided by 3 by 2 minus 1 divided by 7 by 2, this is upper limit, minus lower limit na 0 limit. 3 by 2 when you take numerator, what I am getting? 3 by 2 when you take numerator, what I am getting? 2 by 3. Like that, 7 by 2 when you take numerator na 2 by 7. Take cross multiply. So what I am getting? Denominator 7 3s are 21, 2 7s are 14 minus 2 3s are what ma? 6, which is equal to 14 minus 6 what pa? 8 divided by 21. Is that our required answer for a question number 2? Okay. Sorry, book bag answer wrong. The mistake what na? Square. The square is there, I am right. That we didn't what is that mention in the next step. That we have to mention. If you mention the square na, first you have to apply what is that? Square. First you have to apply square, then only you can simplify everything. So whatever we have done, that is mistake only. Okay, apply the formula. So 0 to 1 root t you can write t power 1 by 2 pa. T power 1 by 2 you can apply. A minus b whole square na a square plus b square na, again see there is a square, again when you square that will be t power 4 minus 2ab. Then 2 into 1 into t square na 2t square into dt you will be getting. Okay. Now take that you multiply inside. Take t power 1 by 2, now you multiply inside. So integral 0 to 1, 1 into t power 1 by 2 na t power 1 divided by 2 plus 4 plus half. 4 plus half na what you will be getting? 4 plus half na when you multiply that will be 9 by 2. So t power 9 divided by 2 minus 2 times t square we have. Again 2 plus half na. 2 plus half na what are Rajam? Yeah, 5 divided by 2 into dt. See, after multiply, this is your step. Now for this you should take integral. Okay. If I apply now, what I am getting? T power. So 1 by 2. If you take integral means what actually? Whatever we have to like add 1 and divide the same. It means x power n into dx. Na formula says what? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula I am going to use here. So the t power 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Same manner 9 by 2 plus 1 in the sense what you will be getting? 11 by 2. T power 11 by 2 divided by 11 divided by 2 minus 2 into t power 5 by 2 plus 1. 5 by 2 plus 1 na which will be 7 by 2 divided by 7 divided by 2 limits what? 0 to 1 you have to apply. Okay. Right. Okay, but let's continue this. Apply the limit first. So 1 when you apply 1 power anything means 1 power 3 by 2 1 only. So not an issue. So 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by what I am getting 11 divided by 2 minus 2 into 1 only. So 2 divided by 7 by 2 you will be getting minus lower limit na 0 by anything 0 0 0 you will be getting. So when you apply 0 nothing. Okay, 0 you mention. Then 3 by 2 when you take numerator na 2 divided by 3. This also 2 divided by 11 and this also actually the denominator 2 and these two will multiply. So that 2 2s are 4 divided by 7. Okay. Now you take LCM. LCM means you have to multiply everything. 3 into 11 into 7. So that these two you have to multiply here. Okay, 77 into 2. 2 into 77 plus 2 into. Now these two you have to multiply. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Minus 4 into. Now other two number you multiply. Which means 33. Okay. Now you simplify Raja, you will be getting. So that 144 plus 42 minus 4 3s are 12. 1. 12 plus 1 na 3 whole divided by what I am getting 11 into 3 into 7. Wait, if anything possible to cancel na you can cancel, that is what, which is equal. Now you subtract 144 132 when you subtract it will be 2 1 just 12 plus 42 when you add what I am getting 4 6. So 64 divided by 64 not possible to cancel by third table 11 table, then you have to multiply everything. So what is that 77 into 3 na 21 remaining 2 21 23 appa. So 231. Check the book back now children. Okay, Raja, be careful so that the square we have missed so that our answer became now little big. Okay, be careful children. Kindly you copy carefully. Question number 3, let's go to Raja. Question number 3 says what? Let's see. Integral 0 to 1 I equal to I am taking. What is that? Sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Before, see, sine inverse, tan inverse, cos inverse na we have to go integrating by parts, that we know very well. But here it's not like a sine inverse x, there is something else. So first you have to simplify this. This one we are studying from second chapter. Second chapter we have simplified, even fifth chapter we have done. Again it is coming in a seventh chapter also. Okay, seventh chapter also in 2 places we will be seeing this. Okay, so that x equal to what I am going to assume, Raja? Put x is equal to tan theta when I assume what I am getting now. Take that sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square that 2x became what now? 2 tan, because x is tan we assume, divided by 1 plus x square na tan square theta whole divided by. Yes, this is a formula for sin 2 theta formula. Okay, sin 2 theta. So that sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Directly I am writing. This is sin 2 theta formula. If you want to mention, you can mention. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Suppose tan 2 theta in the sense same formula, but denominator negative will come. That's it. 1 minus tan square. So this you should remember. The comparison you must know. Denominator negative na tan 2 theta. Suppose positive na sin 2 theta. That you must have idea. So which is equal to 2 theta. Here theta in the sense what pa? Theta means from here you can find. What is that? Tan inverse x is equal to theta. So that tan inverse x is equal to theta. This is the simplification for the question. The whole question became in now what actually, what is that? 2 times tan inverse x into dx, 0 to 1. Don't want to convert the value in theta because we are not going by theta. Suppose, listen, suppose if you are ready to go by theta na, limit if you change na, very easily you can go. Shall we go by, if you are going tan inverse, you have to go integrating by parts. You understand? Suppose if you want to avoid integrating by parts, you can go by theta itself. Theta itself you can go. Theta means like x, 2x. 2x integral what? 2x square by 2. Very easily you can complete, no? That is also you can go. Okay, shall we go by tan inverse or 2 theta? 2 theta is better, I hope, which I feel. Let's see both what we are getting, we'll see. First I will complete in 2 theta. First I will complete in 2 theta. So 2 times theta. Then theta table what? Theta table what? This is x, this is theta. X value they gave 0 to 1. Then what about theta? X we assumed like this. X theta. Okay, theta only you need na. What do you have to do? Tan inverse x which is equal to theta. Now if I give 0, tan inverse 0 what ra? For what angle you will be getting this one? 0 degree. Then 0 again. So where you will be getting tan inverse 1 is equal to theta? 45. So pi by 4. What my dear? Pi by 4. So the limit became now 0 to pi by 4. It became what pa? 0 to pi by 4. Which is what actually? And dx we didn't write. So you have to differentiate than this. Wait. So x is equal to tan theta na. Dx what we didn't know, right? Dx we didn't know. Dx we didn't know. So when I differentiate, what I am getting? So it became 1 plus x square. I mean after taking inverse, tan inverse x is equal to theta. When you differentiate, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, which is equal to, so we are converting into theta. Sorry. Directly you differentiate. So dx is equal to, this one what ma? Secant square theta into d theta. So instead of dx, you can write what pa? Secant square theta into d theta. Even though we have to go highlight only. Highlight it's coming. Highlight it's coming. Okay. 2 if you take outside. Raja, 2 if you take outside, 0 to pi by 4. Theta into secant square theta into d theta. So you have to use highlight. This is one idea. Okay. You can go on right, highlight. I will stop. Okay. Next, one more idea what na? One more idea what na? From the question again. I is equal to, we have 0 to 1. Sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. We have simplified the whole question in form of 2 tan inverse x. What my dear? 2 tan inverse x into dx. X na term will be as it is. Okay. So 2 if you take outside, you can go by highlight. Or else, what is that? Highlight if you are using na? Algebra you can assume as a 2. Algebra you can assume as a 2. And inverse function as a tan inverse. So u equal to tan inverse and v is equal to 2. Like that you can go highlight. So both we have to go by highlight. no other go. You cannot escape from islet. Integrating by parts, it's coming in both the way, because dx, instead of dx we are writing d secant square d theta, no, so that surely the integrating by parts will be coming in both the place. So both the place, if you simplify, you will be getting same answer. So from here, this is common, this place is common, this place is common for both the answer. Either this page you are going to write or this page you are going to write, you decide, okay, or if you want to write, you write both. So u dash is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and integral v into what is the variable x is equal to 2 times integral dx, which is equal to 2x you will be getting. That's it. Okay. Now what I'm getting, that's it. Now you can apply in the formula. Formula says what? Integral uv dx is equal to u into integral v dx minus integral u dash into integral v dx into overall 1 dx. So u value what? U value we have tan inverse x multiply integral v dx na 2x we have minus u dash value what na 1 divided by 1 plus x square, 1 divided by 1 plus x square integral v dx na 2x, v dx na what pa 2x into dx. So that what you can mention, that 2x into tan inverse x minus, see denominator when I differentiate I am getting numerator, so surely you can write log of denominator, so that log of 1 plus x square. So everything we have done. Finally you have to give the limit 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, if you apply the limit, you will be getting the required. So let me apply the limit. Limit when I apply first 1, 2 into 1 2, tan inverse 1 minus log of 1 plus 1 2, this is upper limit, minus lower limit na, here 0 into anything 0, and here also what I am getting 0 minus log 1 plus 0 na log 1 also 0 again. So what you will be getting, 2 into tan inverse 1 in the sense pi by 4, so that you will be getting pi divided by 4 minus log 2, that's it, log 2. When you simplify, I am getting pi by 2 minus log 2. How I am simplifying? Just I cancelled this, 1 2s are 2 2s are, so I cancelled. So this is my answer. Same answer you should bring here also. Same answer if you try, you will be getting. Let me bring, so that highlight, if you are, suppose highlight if I am using now, what I am getting, suppose highlight if I am using now, what I am getting, algebra is the theta, okay, and secant square is the t, so that u is equal to theta into v is equal to secant square theta. What is the different color? Theta. Now u dash in the sense 1 pa integral v d theta, which is equal to secant square theta into d theta. So that what is integral secant square ma? Directly you can write what, my dear? Tan theta. Okay. Now let's go in the formula. Formula here we have, Raja. Formula here we have. Formula here we have, already we have mentioned the formula. This formula only I am going to write there also. So that left hand side I means question. First u value theta into integral v dx na, that is d theta, sorry, tan theta minus integral u dash in the sense what we have 1, so that 1 into integral v dx na, instead of dx in d theta, so that tan theta, okay, tan theta into d theta. So what I am getting, theta into tan theta minus 1 into tan theta. What is tan theta limit pa? Tan theta limit, I mean integral what ma? Tan theta limit, I mean integral value what pa? Tan theta equal to, we have a 2, 1 minus log cos, one more what we have na, log secant, okay. So where you comfortable, that you take, not an issue. 0 to pi by 4 we'll go with cos itself, okay. Cos na we can go minus log, so minus and minus plus log cos theta, okay, cos theta. Limit value what na, 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, and this 2 we have commonly outside. that also you have to give finally. Okay, finally the 2 you should give outside. Right, apply the limit now. 2 into pi by 4 when you apply. Pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 what pa? 1 plus log pi by 4. Sorry, log of cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 what pa? 1 divided by root 2. 1 divided by what pa? Root 2. Directly ma, cos pi by 4 1 by root I am applying directly. Okay, minus lower limit tan 0 0 minus log, sorry not my, sorry minus of plus log cos 0 1 means log 1 you will be getting. Okay, if you simplify you will be getting this. Where we can rough, wait little I will move. Okay, the 2 let it be outside. Now pi by 4 plus Raja log, see 1 by root 2 is there. 1 by root 2, see 1 by root 2 if you want to bring, see there is minus log 2 here. Minus log 2 na. Suppose if you do reciprocal, what you will be getting? 2 power minus 1 by 2 you will be getting. 2 power minus 1 by 2. Ma, power root 2 in the sense power 1 by 2 pa. When you bring to numerator, minus 1 by 2 you will be getting. Log 1 na 0, that you leave it. Okay, that's it. Now take the 2 inside. So 2 into pi by 4 minus 2 into, why the minus I gave na? Actually plus only. The power 1 by 2 when you bring bottom in the sense, that will be multiply here. So it will be log 2. Now you can cancel these two. So finally what I am getting here also you can cancel. Finally what I am getting, pi by 2 minus log 2 is my answer. Okay, either you do by this one tan inverse method, or if you converting into theta in the sense, this is also you can go, not an issue. You will be getting the same answer. Any one method where you feel very strong, better there you can go. Okay sir, both are not strong sir, not understand sir na, we cannot help anything. Okay, God only, God is there na, God will come and help you in the exam hall. So any one you have to learn properly, understand? Right. Next question number 4 ma. Question number 4, I is equal to integral 0 to 2. What my dear? 0 to 2 x into square root of what they gave, x plus 2, x plus 2 they gave into dx in the miss out Raja, in the textbook dx is not there, kindly write. Right, and they asked to take this one, x plus 2 is equal to t square. Why we have to assume? Why we have to assume x plus? Because this x you cannot multiply inside the root when we have a square root. Square root if you remove na, easily you can multiply. That is what they are going to take the whole root term. The whole root term they are taking as a t. T is equal to square root of x plus 2. When you square on both sides, t square is equal to x plus 2. This is they gave in the textbook. Okay, t is equal to whole root term they assumed. Okay, right. Now you can differentiate. When you differentiate, 2 will be coming down, t power 1. T when you differentiate dt equal to x derivative dx and 2 derivative 0. Finally what actually 2t into dt is equal to dx. This is we have. Right. Now what became, I is equal to x how we can write, listen carefully, x how we can write from here Raja, this step what, this I will take 1, this I will take 1, so that t square equal to x plus 2 na, x if you want 2 you can bring opposite arm, right? T square minus 2, very good, t square minus 2 equal to x. So instead of x you can write t square minus 2. T square minus the 2. Whole question we are going to write in the form of t. This fully we assumed t. This fully we assumed t. Into dx became what Raja? 2t into dt. So instead of dx, 2t into dt. That's it. So this is these things we have. Now 2 you can take outside. T into t square. The t square if you multiply inside, what will getting? T square when you multiply what I am getting. That we have to see. So that t square and t power 4 minus 2 into t square into dt. And what about limits? Limits we didn't convert. Okay, limits still we didn't convert. If you want to convert, you convert ma. Or else at last, after t replacing in the what is the form of x, also you can apply the limit. That is also one more idea. But always we are converting in the t form is better. X is what they gave, 0 to 2. X is 0 now, what is t? Raja, x is 0 now, what is t? Square root of, when x is 0, what is t? Square root of 0 plus a 2 equal to root 2. So root 2 here. What you will be getting pa? Root 2. Okay. Now, if I am giving x value 2, what I am getting pa? T equal to square root of 2 plus 2, yes, 2 plus 2, 4. Root 4 is equal to plus or minus 2, but you can take plus value. Okay. You take plus value, but if you take plus or minus, not 2 limits it will be going. You take plus, let's see what is book back answer. 2 if you apply, 2 is coming. We will see what we are getting. Which is what, my dear, 2. This is what then, root 2 to 2. Okay. Let's see the Raja. Now simplify. 2 is outside. When I take limit, interval for t power 4, now what I am getting pa? T power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 into t square. When you take interval, what I am getting pa? T power 3 divided by t power 3 root 2 into 2. Now apply the limits, Raja. 2 into, when you apply what is that, 2 as na 2 power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 3 into what is that, t power 3. What, Raja? T power 3 in the sense 2 power 3. This is what, upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit what ma? Root 2. What, my dear? Root 2. Lower limit root 2 when you apply, what I am getting? Root 2 whole power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 3 into what is that? Root 2 whole power 3. That's it. Now you have to simplify this. Okay. Be careful. And commonly there is a 2 outside for us. Let's see here. 2 into what I am getting? 2 power 5 what, ma'am? 2 power 5 na 5 times you have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. What I am getting? 32. So that 32 divided by 5 minus 2 power 3, 8. 8 2s are 16. Okay, so that 16 divided by 3. Okay, minus. See, this is lower limit minus, we have a common in the case. Minus when you multiply, minus root 5 na, root 2 you have to write 5 times like this. So when you write 2 times it will be 2. One more 2 times na, you will be getting one more 2. One more root 5, root 2 when you write it will be root 2. So 4 root 2 you will be getting. What you will be getting pa? 4 root 2 divided by what actually denominator? 5. Okay. Minus into minus plus 2 let it be as it is. 2 let it be. 2 by 3 we have here. 2 by 3 we have. Root 2 when you write 3 times. Root 2 into root 2 into root 2 na. This will be 2 and root 2 will be the answer. So 2 to the 4. Yes, 4 root 2. 4 root 2 divided by what, my dear? 3. Okay. That's it. So this is the simplification. Now finally when you add what I am getting, let's see the Raja. So see denominator here we have a 5. Here also we have 5. So denominator 5 you take. 32 minus 4 root 2 and plus what is that? 4 root 2 minus 16. Base common na, I am writing these things. If you want to multiply the 2, you can multiply inside or else you can stop. So if you take cross multiply, what I am getting? Take cross multiply. 3 will be multiplying here, 5 will be multiplying here. If you take cross multiply, this is will happen, no? So 3 into 32. 3 into 32, what I am getting, Raja? 6, 9. 96 minus 3 4s are 12 root 2 plus 5 4s are 20 root 2 minus 16 5s are what Raja? 80. Sorry, 16 5s are what ma? 80. Whole divided by 5 3s are 15. Now commonly we have 2, let it be outside. Then simplify. What is the 96 and 80 when you subtract, it will be 60 minus 20 and 12 when you subtract what ma? 20 and 12 when you subtract 8 root 2. That's it. This is the required answer for question number 4. Okay. A little more they simplified in the textbook. This is the book bag answer, book answer. So we can go little. And this one when you subtract minus 12 plus 29 plus 8. See, you can take commonly outside 8 and root 2 you can take. To bring book bag answer I am doing this. So 2 divided by 15 we have 8 root 2. If you take outside, what I am getting? Okay, 16 divided by 8 root 2 plus 1. Which is not here, that you can divide. Now when you cancel, what I am getting? It will be 2. Okay. So finally what I am getting? 8 2s are 16 root 2 divided by 15 into this 2 you can write root 2 into root 2. Okay. The 2 you can write root 2 into root 2, divide root 2 plus 1. So when you cancel 1 root 2, you will be getting the book back solution what? 16 root 2 divided by 15 into root 2 plus 1. Suppose you cannot able to simplify, if you stop here also, they will accept in the board exam. Don't want to worry. For this, they will not reduce mark. Understand? Right, Raja? Fifth one I will continue in the next video, ma. Thank you, pa.